Good night, Professor and class. My positive thinking is a single positive thought in the morning can change the whole day for the better. Table of contents. Presentation number 1. Introduction number 2. Structural organization of the university number 3. Table of content number 4. Conclusion number 5. Portfolio evaluation number 6. This is my presentation. Metropolitan University of Education, Science and Technology, Faculty of the Construction, Technology and Environment. Carlos name, Electrical Engineering Technician. Professor name, Bielka Excel Cornejo Jardines. Subject name, Digital Portfolio. Unit name, Final Exam. Student name, Carlos A. Ruiz. J. April 9, 2022. Introduction. What is DP? What is Student Digital Portfolio? SPD of our Student Digital Portfolio is academic tools to represent the collection of evidence reference on the special subject. As professional, the SPD is a catalog to show it or construct the evidence or you take down. According to Professor Magister Bielka Excel Cornejo Jardines, the SPD is a learning contract between the professor and student. According to Spinning, the SPD is an electronic tool that records activities done in a class of a special subject. Table of contents. The class. Unit number 1. Welcome Forum. The hydroelectric. In this activity, we learn the different types of the hydroelectric plants in Panama. Unit number 2. Type of switches. In this activity, we saw the different type of electrical switches that exist in the industrial and residential fields. Unit number 3. Special tools. In the activity, we analyze the usage and characteristics of the special tool. Unit number 4. Panels. In the activity, we make a vocabulary to be able to define some concept of some words. We also make a true and false to carry out some analysis. Unit number 5. What is portfolio? In the activity, we have the varied concept of how make a digital portfolio and be able to make a draft the work. Unit number 6. Final exam. The final exam will be delivered in this space. Conclusion. In this project of SPD, we learning a lot of academic things that keeping in our me an electrical techniques student. Fear of all in a learn to how to prepare it in introduction and conclusion of a project. This SPD is divided in unit number 1. Welcome forum. I am learn how to introduction of myself and the difference between hydroelectric plants and how it use it. Unit number 2. I am learning concept of the type of switches, their use and application depending on the type of work. Unit number 3. Special tools. I am learning about the new special tools, their use and special features. Unit number 4. Panels. In the activity, we make vocabulary to be able to define some concept of word. We also make a true and false to carry also analysis. Activity number 5. What is portfolio? Portfolio. Uh, to make a digital portfolio and be able to make draft of the work. Unit number 6. Final exam. The final exam will be delivered in this space. Evidence of class. Class final exam. Class number 5. The panels. Portfolio evaluation. With graphics. Thank you.